Yeah. I'm at the window.
Sorry.
Hi.
You okay?
Hello.
How are you?
I've got, well, this is making me nervous
No,
and
I
anxious.
understand.
I'm on
What's your-
antidepressants.
Oh, bless you. What's your name,
My
my love?
daughter's got under the Mental Health
Oh,
Act.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's your name, my love?
I don't need to give you my
Okay,
name.
fine. Okay. So I've been told by these engineers that they need to come in, okay, and they've got a warrant to facilitate that. I'm also now here to facilitate that.
You're here to keep the peace, aren't you?
Yeah, in essence, but they can gain entry if they need to. They have got a locksmith if they need to.
I need to see a warrant, though.
They have got the warrant. They have
Okay,
got the warrant.
I need to see that.
Do you want me to go and grab it?
Yes, please.
Yeah, all right. Do you mind just waiting there?
No, of course
yeah,
not.
they're over there. I'll go and speak to them.
Thank
Grab
you.
the warrant. All
Thank you.
A few moments later.
I can't let you take it, but that's the warrant that we've got. Okay.
Not a proper warrant. It's not signed by a magistrate with a wet ink signature.
Oh boy, we have another common law nutter that thinks a warrant needs a wet ink signature. They don't. I have said it on the previous few meter replacement videos, and I will say it again. This is a common myth among the common law freemen of the land lot that if a warrant don't have a wet ink signature, it's invalid. This is totally wrong. The United Kingdom has legally recognized e-signatures for well over 2 decades.
It is a warrant.
Oh, yes.
But it's not signed by a magistrate with a wet ink
It's
signature.
a magistrate's warrant from Birmingham.
Yeah, but it's not signed by a magistrate with a wet ink signature.
Either way,
It's not a proper warrant.
it is a proper warrant.
Oh, yes.
Not if it's not signed with a wet ink signature
It is
by
Are you stupid or something?
a
proper
judge or
warrant.
magistrate.
And we will be coming in either way.
Can't do that.
They can.
They can't do that.
They
It's
can.
not a proper warrant.
They-
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Look at you.
Got the power from this warrant to
No,
do
they
so.
haven't.
They
It's-
have.
Look at the warrant. It's not even signed by a judge with a wet ink signature. Do you not know that?
It is.
It isn't. I can see it isn't.
I know it's not signed, but it's a warrant.
It's not. It's not. It hasn't even got the proper crest on it.
Right. It's
So they
there.
cannot come into
They
my
are- they
house.
are
No,
coming
they
in.
can't come into
Well,
my
they're going
house.
to.
They can't come into my house.
Right.
You haven't. This is
Look,
breaking the law. Do you
it's
not
not.
know that?
Sorry? I can't hear you, mate. So if you want to come here, feel free. All of your badge IDs. Are you all ignoring me?
Oh, yes, my friend.
They're very professional.
What he say?
They're very professional. So how do I actually know you work for a company? You're not allowed to do this. If you have a warrant signed, with wet signature by the judge.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Look at you. Listen, excuse me, sir. Once you have a warrant signed with a wet signature by the judge that is legitimate, that isn't a fraudulent document, I'll happily comply with you.
Wet ink signatures are no longer needed and digital signatures have been recognized, in the UK, since 1981. These plonkers are all getting their common law, freemen of the land bullshit from the same groups and people that have sold them meter replacements, and subsequently landed them in more debt, and now they have the police and energy company at their door. I wonder if they are paying for fictional legal advice as well as paying these idiots to replace their utility meters.
You're not allowed to do this.
That was bullshit.
He said he's going to drill the lock. If you drill the lock, you have to replace it. Just to let you know this. Pardon? No, if you drill the, I said to you, sir, if you have a warrant that's signed with a wet signature by the judge, there's a digital signature, it's fraudulent.
Bullshit level, DEFCON 5.
So if you break the lock, you're going to have to replace it. The warrant is out of jurisdiction, sir. If you have, it's Birmingham. It should be in my.
Tommy, they're bringing the warrant here now. I can't explain.
They're bringing the warrant. I've seen the warrant.
This will explain about the. So this is our college. I'm not coming in through the window.
No, that's fine.
This is from the College of Policing. This is our guidance. Okay, it's in relation to about the digital utility warrants, which will explain about the signature and changes. All right.
Right. So I've never been issued this, but this is not.
I'm just.
Criminal warrant.
What's about this? Is a criminal warrant.
Read it.
The College of Policing only deals with criminal warrants, not civil ones.
Right. So they've just sent this.
That deals with that's the College of Policing. They deal with criminal warrants, not civil ones.
You deal with criminal warrants, not civil warrants.
College of Policing does not cover civil warrants.
I'm just asking you a question. Anthony, is it Anthony?
Anthony.
I'm just asking you a question, yeah?
Yeah, go ahead.
You're not allowed to fit a prepayment meter if there's vulnerable people in the house, is
Well,
there?
it all depends on the vulnerability.
So let's say there's someone that's got asthma in the house. You're not allowed to fit a prepayment meter.
You are still allowed to, but yes, you are.
He's not a
Right, that's just one vulnerability. So,
you're making them aware that there's a vulnerability. And
I've made you aware there's a vulnerability,
Okay,
and
well, I'm not listening to what that lady said because she doesn't know what she's talking about.
you don't know what you're talking
I'm
about.
just here to do.
You don't know what you're talking about. You're breaking the law doing this.
I would like to make it easier.
You think you're making it easier, but you're not. You're literally breaking the law doing this stuff. If you have a warrant that is signed with a wet signature by the judge.
Okay, so it's no further for me to speak.
If I'd have been invited to the hearing by the warrant, then fair enough. I haven't been invited. Where's the proof? Where's the proof? He says they're going to drill the door.
And that's the front door.
You're not allowed to do that. You're breaking the law. Yeah, they say they're going to drill the front door.
Okay, you've got the bolts on, haven't you?
Yeah. 1 second. It needs to be wet signed by a judge. The magistrate court is out of our jurisdiction.
Warning, bullshit alert.
So if you've drilled the lock and it's not going through, you're not allowed to break into the property. What do you think you're doing? No, there's vulnerable people in the house and you're trying to break into the house. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed.
What if I call an ambulance, pretend I'm having a panic attack? I'll get done then.
Say that again.
What if I call an ambulance, pretend I'm having a panic attack? I'll get done then.
So Myers did not deceive me, this idiot just said.
What if I call an ambulance, pretend I'm having a panic attack? I'll get done then.
Making fake calls to 999 emergency services not only takes up a space for someone who actually needs urgent medical attention, it is also criminal offense to misuse the 999 services. And carries a maximum penalty of up to 6 months in prison or a fine of £5,000.
If I call an ambulance and pretend I'm having a panic attack? What if I call an ambulance and pretend I'm having a panic attack? They'll get done then, won't they?
You could do that.
Yeah, I'm going to do that now.
But wait, but then she just can't get in.
And if you want to, you could.
Should I call an ambulance?
No,
No, don't make me do it. Fuck.
What are you doing?
Go away.
Leave us alone. You're breaking into our property. Breaking, I'm going to have to use reasonable force. If you're trying to break into my property, I don't even know who you are, mate. Your badge hasn't even got your name on it.
Warning, bullshit alert.
Your badge hasn't even got your name on it. How do I know who you are, what you say you are? You're not allowed to go into the back garden. You're not allowed to go into my back garden. You're not allowed to break into my property. You're trespassing.
I can see them.
You're trespassing. If you go around the back of my property, you're literally trespassing. And the police, you're assisting them if they go into my garden.
I want anything you can get out of the kitchen table. Just put the phone on the back, so just putting everything at the back now. I haven't got a bolt on my back door. Yeah. Yeah. They're going around the back. They're going around the back.
I need to have this hand up.
Put more stuff there, put more stuff underneath it. Yeah. I'm trying to think of what to put else to put against the front door. Right, tell me what's down there. Yeah, I've got. Can you put this plug? Put the plug if it's by the bottom of the door. You see? What do you mean? Like, put it by the bottom so if it comes through, they'll splash that. Like, try put it by the bottom hinge. I'd say. They're smashing your back gate down. I'm just climbing over the back gate now. Just get her to stay on the phone. Stay on the phone.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
The video cuts off at this point, but as we heard, the back door has no bolt, and I am sure the electricity company along with the police gained entry and changed the meter back. But it wasn't long before this video was being shared on Facebook and in Telegram groups, claiming it as a victory. Barricading yourself in your home while shouting wet ink signature, and making a complete fool of themselves is a victory to these people, and don't mention the extra debt they have got themselves in.
The following video is a sequence of short clips taken by Siobhan and her family, her beautiful son and daughter, who prevented revenue protection agents employed by E.ON and police who were also in attendance from gaining entry to her home. They attended with a fraudulent warrant of entry and they was prevented from gaining access.
Oh, shut up, you cunt!